Where are we? We are in the blue house. Okay, today you're going to wipe the utensils. Okay? What? Ano nasa harapan nyo? What's that? Can you name the utensils? We have the... Where's the fork? Where's the fork, Rory? Where's the fork? And then we have the spoon. And then the... Opo. And then we have plates. And glass is... What's that? The glass. Okay. Mag-wipe kayo. Wipe plates na. Wipe the plates na. Wipe the plates. Yan. Rory, ikaw din. Wipe the plates. Wipe the plates. Very good. You count hanggang 5. 1, 2. Sa front muna. 3, 4, 5. Flip na, flip. Parang ganyan kay go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, done with the plates. Next. You get the spoon. Get spoon. Rory, Juliana, get spoon. No, wait, susubo, Caleb. Punasan mo yan, punas. Wipe the spoon. Wipe the spoon, dali. Yan, very good. Go wipe. The front, the back, and the handle. Sige, go. Wipe mo, wipe, hindi ganyan. Hindi mo siya irarap. Hey. Hindi mo siya irarap, anak. You wipe it. Dali. Wipe. Sa front, sa back, and then sa handle. Okay, next. Next, get the fork. Get the fork. Huwag mo ibabalik dyan, Rory. Doon na sa plate mo. Get the fork. Go sa front, sa back, and then sa handle. Dry na siya? Dry na? Nag-dry na siya? Done na? Next. Done with the fork na? Done with the fork? Last. Yung glass na, yung glass. Punasan nyo sa ilalim. Go, dun sa ilalim. Sige. Ilalim muna. Caleb. Ilalim muna, anak. Ilalim muna. Go, Juliana, go. Sige. And then, dun sa mouth niya. Dito. Punasan nyo sa mouth niya, Sa mouth. Look at Teacher Ben. Caleb. Sa mouth. Dito, Punasan mo siyang ganyan, Ganyan, Look at Teacher Ben. Caleb, look.
Rory. Looking at this,
Go. Dry na siya. Nag-dry na. Okay, last. Huwag mo paglalaroan niya kasi malinis na. Dito, sa harap niya, Yan.
Do not open Oriel. Do not open Ishmael. Do not open. Do not open Inigo. Rory, you want palo? Do not open. Okay. Ay, naku, kakasabi ko lang. Do not open. Put here lang. Okay, next. Are you ready? Open your cards. Okay.
Teddy bear!
Listen to me. Open your cards, Rory. Open. Okay. Listen. Ishmael. Okay. Ishmael, give your card to Juliana.
Okay.
Give your card to Juliana.
This one?
Juliana, give your card to Inigo. Give your card. Ito yung card mo, diba? To Inigo. Inigo, give your card to Ishmael.
Yeah, chicken.
Oriel, give your card to Rory.
Monkey.
Rory, you give your card to Oriel. Give your card to Oriel. Ito sa'yo. Okay, now you have your cards. Okay?
Monkey.
Shh, quiet. Okay. Tell me, Oriel, what does the monkey eat?
Banana.
Okay, find the banana.
I
Okay,
saw
Juliana, what does the bear eat?
Yeah.
What? Tell me. The
The
honey.
Honey.
Okay, get the honey. Okay, Rory, what does the mouse eat? Rory,
yellow.
the mouse will eat
Yellow cheese.
cheese. Okay, next.
Cheese time.
Inigo, what does the frog eat?
Cricket.
You're not Inigo. What does the frog eat? Flies.
Lion.
Flies, yung mga flies. Okay, how about you, Ishmael? What does your chicken eat? Worm. Sabi mo
Whoa.
Okay, next. What happened when we open? I'm gonna follow you.
Yeah. Wait,
Kasi not following instruction.
Yes. I'm moving.
Yeah. Oh, do not open. Oh, dapat pagka ginib ko sa'yo, ganyan lang. Hawak lang na ganyan. Okay, ready?
It's invisible.
Asan na yung pamalo? Ay, pamalo. Asan na yung pamalo ko? I'm gonna follow the one that will open.
Ferrari.
Yeah. Dapat you do not open it. Okay, ready na? Are you able to follow instruction?
Yes.
Anong binibigay ko sa inyo yung animals but you do not
Open.
open yet kapag hindi ko pa sinabi. Pag sinabi ko ng open na, tsaka nyo yung open. And then you're gonna find out what animal you have. Naintindihan?
Yes.
Okay, ready ah?
Drain mo. Drain. Mga water. Dry mo na. Dry. Sige. Okay, ayos ka. Next.
Look, Rory.
Bicycle na naman.
Tingin, Rory. You're not looking.
Para makita mo saan yung basa. Danan.
Rory, look. Oh, dry na ba? Is it dry na?
You check. Is it dry?
I-check.
Check mo. Dry na. Chinigang ka na. Okay na. Doon na. Doon. Play. Sorry, malayo pa. Okay, what's next? Hindi.
No!
Dry.
Get the spoon.
Drain mo. Gusto mo.
Oh, yan na muna. Okay, go. Look.
Sige, parehas kayo ni Ismail. Pahirapan niyo yung sarili niyo. Masyadong titigas niya pag yung buong. Ano? Half lang. Half nga lang yung binug. Half lang yung
Ito
tawag,
lang.
hindi yung half lang yung...
Oh, here. Go. Sige, go. Twist mo na, twist.
Twist mo na. Twist. Twist mo na. Twist. Outside naman. Wipe mo outside. Tignan mo kasi. Hindi.
Look. Ay, wag maglalaro, Rory.
No. Wipe mo, ganyan. Wipe mo. Ikaw pa man na star player ko. Okay na yan. Nasa okay.
Go.
Put it here. Next is spoon and fork. One muna. One at a time. Okay, yan. Mag-iayos ka para makita mo kung basa ko o hindi.
Tingin, you're not looking, Rory.
Paano mo yun gagawin? Mali yung style mo.
Look.
Put it there. Tingnan mo.
Tingnan mo, Rory.
Ganyan.
Look. Look.
Is it dry? Yung handle niya. Tuyo yan, siguraduhin mo ah. Oh, yan na. Tug mo na. Yan. Next last one. First mo ko sa inyo si Juliana. Ikaw hindi ka tumitingin kasi.
What's this?
Meat.
It's meat.
It's meat.
Yes, this one.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey. I
Okay, this
think
one.
honey.
Honey.
I
Okay,
like
this one.
Flowers.
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 Okay. Okay, this one.
Fish. It's a fish.
Oh, fish.
Fish bone.
Fishbone. Very good. This one.
Strawberry.
Carrots.
Carrot.
Carrots and strawberry. Oh, this one.
Strawberry. It's nut. Unicorn.
Acorn.
Acorn.
Okay, this one.
Fish again.
Okay, next this
That's
one.
fish. Flies.
Slice.
Flies. Butterfly.
Slice yan. This one.
Bone.
Very good.
I think I eat bone habang
this one.
I a baby. Wow!
Worm.
I
next.
still a baby.
Ay,
Banana.
this one.
Banana.
What are these things?
Chimpanzee banana.
These are, ano yan, mga food ba yan ng people or food ng animals? Food ng animals.
Food ng
Okay.
animal.
Food ng animals. I'm going to give you an animal and then you're going to find kung anong food. Okay? Pero one at a time. Okay?
I want
Oh,
monkey.
do not open muna ha. Close. I'm gonna give you the animal. Close nyo muna. Huwag nyo munang i-open. Do not open muna. Okay?
Yes.
And then you're going to tell me what kind of food does your animal need. Okay? Do not open, ah. Sabay-sabay may
Power.
palo. Oh my gosh.
Oh my G. Rory.
Ewan ko, kung i-open ni Rory, palo natin yung kamay ni Rory.
Yeah.
Ouch yun. Ouch yun. Oh,
Yeah.
so you do not
Do that again.
open. Oh,
It
ready
is
na?
open?
Ready na? Open! I did not tell you to open. Ito talaga. Under yan, sa under. Okay, ready, get set. Okay, go home na siya. Next, Inigo. Cards, okay? Bawat card, merong places. My house, my car, my house, my car, my house, my car, house, car, house, car. Puro house and car. Pero iba-iba yung daanan niya. Okay, I have here
Pauwi.
a car, okay? So, ang gagawin nyo, lalagay nyo dito sa ibabaw,
Bye-bye.
tapos may magnet siya sa ilalim. Okay, dapat nagmamagnet yan.
Wow.
Okay? So, nagmamagnet siya. Lalagay mo dito sa front, sa ibabaw, tapos under, kukunin mo siya nagmagnet. Ngayon, your task is to follow the line. Okay? Hanggang ma-finish mo yung
Wow.
line. Okay?
Wow, we made it.
Done. Okay? So, I'm gonna give each one of you a card. Okay? One for you, one for you. Asan yung mga cards?
One for you, one for you.
Okay, mahirap yung ibang card kasi paikot-ikot. Okay, may madali lang. Oh, madali lang muna. Madali. Oh, madali lang muna.
Wow.
Madali lang muna.
That's so easy.
Madali
I
lang
like
muna.
easy one.
And then, this one is...
Who's the like harder
This one
one?
is yours.
I
This
think
one is
that one.
yours. Okay? Turn taking kayo, okay?
Jackie, Jackie, choo choo. Jackie, 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 choo choo. Jackie, Jackie, choo choo. Don't make that. Okay.
Oh, inigo. Oh, I have a... Okay, next. Speak to Rory. Sure, Rory. Kay Inigo. Okay, bigyan na. Okay, go.
Oh, yeah, bye-bye. I try and finish this.
Try again. Okay, good. Kanino? Kay?
My eyes is my eyes.
Bayan.
Mael?
Yan, Ishmael.
Hindi ko kaya.
No, go.
Hindi mo
Kanino? Kay Tigo.
Hindi ko.
Kay?
Okay, umuwi.
Ronnie, give the teacher. Ariel. Catch. Go, Juliana. Catch, Juliana. Oh, kanino? Kay?
Ismail. Wow!
Okay, go.
Ismail again.
Okay, go. Oh, kanino? Ishmael.
Si Inigo.
Okay, go. Toes.
Dos.
Simon says, touch your shoulder.
Suno.
Simon says, sit down on your circle.
Suno.
Sit down on your circle. Sit down on your circle. Sit down. Very good. Very good, boy. Sit down on your circle. Oh, nga. Catch, Juliana. Oh, Juliana, kanino mo gusto i-throw? Throw kay? Catch.
Catch teacher Jen.
Okay, catch teacher Jen. Oh, catch Ishmael. Kanino mo gusto?
You.
Kay akin pa rin. Okay, next. Catch Oriel. Kanino mo gusto i-throw?
Catch.
Ishmael? Okay, Ishmael. You say the name. Say the name.
Okay.
Ishmael.
Okay.
Ulit. Sabihin mo. Catch Ishmael.
Kaya Ismael. Okay.
Okay, good. O, kanino sa class mo?
Let's see if Wally will throw this again. Let's see Wally if he throw it again.
Sabihin mo, catch Rory.
Rory! Rory! O, catch!
Rory, kanino mo gusto i-throw? Not sa taas. Catch mo kaya. Catch mo. Say catch Juliana. Say catch Juliana. Okay. Ganon. O, kanino? Makinig. Simon says, dance. Simon says, stop. Simon says, stop moving. Stop moving. Rory, out ka na. Simon says, touch your nose. Simon says, wiggle your butt. Okay. Simon says, touch your head. Touch your shoulder. Ala, walang Simon says. Dapat may Simon says. Balik kayo dun sa head. Touch your head. Oh, walang Simon says. Dapat, kaya nga, pag may Simon says, yun lang yung gagawin nyo. Naintindihan? Listening game. Okay? Conditional, okay? Sa ang game, ang title ng game natin ay Simon Says. Oh, if I say the word Simon Says, you're gonna do what it is asking. Halimbawa, Simon says, touch your nose. Touch your nose. Touch your eyes. Ah, walang Simon Says. Dapat may Simon Says. Kaya wag niyong itatouch yung eyes niyo. Touch your nose. Walang Simon. Dapat may Simon. Simon says, touch your nose. Okay. Simon says, touch your ears.
Yes.
The Simon says, touch your excuse me, mouth. Touch your head. Walang Simon says. Dapat may Simon says. Naintindihan? Okay. Away! Ismael! Back away.
It's a snake car.
Back away na. Back away na. We're going to the blue room.
We're going to the
Yes, we're gonna play Simon Says.
Simon says.
Yes.
Use this Wi-Fi.
So cute!
I'm making. If we don't
William Triana, that's so cute.
That's so cute. That's so cute. Banana. Look, it can dance. Look, look, it dance upside down.
Oh,
Dance upside down.
Yes.
Look, my hindi. Hiram ko yung ganyan ko. I can defeat you. Now I stole one. Wait, I want a okay. The arm is in the head.
Oh, look, your robot is so funny. Wala pa siyang feet.
Hey,
That robot is incomplete.
I'm making the funny one. I will make the strongest one. I'm making the strongest one.
Hey,
Hey, look at this.
bakit hindi ka nagro-robot?
It says no panel.
Sabi niya, surprise! I'm surprised!
What is my teeth? He has two hands. My teeth. My baby. Look. Look.
Yes.
Look.
What happened to that? Wow! The sword naman siya, sword.
Kunin ako ng I need happy.
Bakit ganyan yung robot mo? Bakit may apat na walang kapaa? Ayan, surprise na siya.
Bagong bago. I need a happy. Bago.
Hindi ko anong problema mo dyan. Hindi ka makita. Doon ka kaya.
Wow!
Doon
Wow,
ka
look at
kaya.
that!
Pwede mo yung chair mo. Ishmael, usod ka. Usod. Usod pa. Ishmael, more. Ikaw doon. Oh, dyan sa gitna. Doon.
OEL, do you like me? Yes. Look at this. How many days before your
What happened?
birthday?
I'm happy.
13. My
Anong ginawa niyo sa Blue House? Kasama ka? Hindi.
And then we didn't play because of Wowie. Because he's turning up the light.
Turning up the?
Why? Why? I cannot. And we cannot play. We cannot play.
Kasi?
Because we cannot play. I don't know why I cannot play also. I cannot remember.
Akala ko dahil kay Rory.
Well, we don't do that again.
Rory, what did you do in the Blue House?
Turn it off light. Turn it off light. Yeah, see? He's a joker.
Is it dark?
A door. He's a joker.
Did you see a door?
And teacher, he's a joker.
He joked you?
Look the robot.
Oh, bali yun naman oh. Mali naman yung paa mo. Not the same. Dapat the same feet. Sit down properly, not like that.
Look at that.
Okay, good.
Look at me. Yeah.
Gusto mo maglaro ng robot? Maglalaro sila. Sama ka.
Palit ko ng body yan. Palit ko ng body.
Oh, sige.
Eh, hindi ko mas
Uy, color the green. Hawakan mo. Yan, very good. Galing. Oh, next, color the brown. Color the brown. Doon. Agan, you color the green. Yan, very good. Dan, any Dan? Dan. Sunflowers. Very good. Color yellow. Color yellow. Yellow sunflower. Go, fix.
Rolly. Bye-bye na. You're not thinking. You're being playful, Rolly. Rory. Ayusin mo. Ayusin mo. Ganyan. Dapat nandito sa flat. Next.
Ew, scary.
Rory. Okay, thank you. Oriel, go na.
Oh yeah! I got nuts.
Oriel.
Oh yeah!
Bakit meron kang ganito? Are you a dog? Do not do like that. Tuwang-tuwa siya. Tuwang-tuwa din yung dalawa. Stop doing that, Ishmael. You don't stop. You don't call people crazy.
Okay, okay,
He's your classmate.
okay.
Ano mo tuwang-tuwa? Next.
Are you gonna say sorry also? Okay.
Ay, nako, nagpo-fall down na, Rory. It's a cross. Rory. Okay, very good. Okay, sige.
I'm Monkey! I'm King Kong! No, I'm King Kong. Who's
Number 12. Follow. Look!
Muna learning recess.
Okay, good job. Thank you. Go. Mali. Okay, go. Fix.
Hi, crazy dog.
Rory. No spinning. You just make it stand. And then, ibabaw yung pyramid.
Crazy dog. A crazy hot dog.
Okay, good. Next.
I like crazy dog. Crazy dog na lang. Crazy dog. Oh, there's a pond.
Lagay mo dito yung tama.
There's some toys. Huh?
Okay, good.
Toys.
Lagay mo ng maayos. Next. Thank you.